Jameson puts safety first with our CompositLock Fiberglass Poles, our latest advancement for line clearance workers, tree care professionals, and telecommunication installers the world over. At Jameson, we know safety is crucial when working around energized utility lines. So we created our new CompositLock Fiberglass Poles, featuring non-conductive composite ferrules for enhanced dielectric strength, improved rigidity, and greater operator control. The oversized thread profile provides our strongest pole-to-pole connection yet, and the fiber-reinforced polyamide provides maximum durability, UV and impact resistance, and the strength that you demand on the job. The full line of CompositLock products includes 4 to 12-foot poles, a variety of cutting attachments, and complete tree trimming kits. Cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge performance. CompositLock Fiberglass Poles from Jameson. When your work is on the line, use Jameson CompositLock Fiberglass Poles.
HTC is the authorized distributor of Jameson in New Zealand. For more information, visit htc.co.nz.